So I'm in Connecticut. It's about 6:20 in the morning. Yeah, so it's still crazy dark because we're in Connecticut. I've just dropped Rory off at work. I'm picking him back up at 3. We're expecting a bomb cyclone today. Starting this evening at some point, a couple inches, but by tomorrow afternoon, anywhere between 6 inches and 6 feet. So I'm at Walmart because my husband has been living as a bachelor and there's like no non-perishable food in the house, so I'm here to pick up some basics, and I'm doing it this early to keep from getting into the crowds as people start panicking up here, as we do in the south when hurricanes come. So stay tuned. I'll be doing some life hack preps for the snow to make tomorrow's snow removal easier, and I'll let you see things as they develop. Okay, so I'm done with the grocery shopping. $311 later. Thank God I remembered that I'm in Connecticut and I have to take my own bags in. Okay, so the first couple of flakes are now falling. I'm fixing to run some errands. We're not supposed to be getting the bulk of things until about 8 o'clock tonight. But here is a tour. My back looks like as of this moment. And get a good look at the tires down there, because that's going to be our gauge for how deep it gets. So it's begun. The flurries have turned into big fat fluffy flakes.